This is Jeremy with SMT Machining. Today we have one of our newest wheels in the Pro Series. This is called the G3. This one is a lip cut wheel. You can see we got the lip cut all the way around. This particular one we have in a 21 by 5.5 inch wheel, part of our Bulldog series. You can see this one on our website. You can see it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You can also hit us up on all those social media sites if you have any questions regarding this wheel or any other of our wheels. If you want to hit us up on the phone, you can hit us up at 623-931-9965 as well. But again, this is our G3 wheel, part of our Pro Series wheels.